Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tata Motivational Times. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unprepared for the day ahead? Well, you're in luck because today we're talking about the power of morning routines. From improving focus and productivity to setting yourself up for success, we'll dive into the benefits of starting your day off right. Benefits of morning routines. So, why are morning routines so important? For one, they help you establish a sense of control and structure. By starting your day with a consistent routine, you're setting yourself up for success and creating a sense of momentum. Plus, morning routines can help improve your focus, productivity, and overall well-being. Examples of morning routines. So, what can you include in your morning routine? Well, the possibilities are endless. Some popular options include exercise, meditation, journaling, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee or tea. The key is to find activities that work for you and help you feel energized and focused. Tips for creating a morning routine. So, how can you start creating a morning routine that works for you? Here are a few tips. First, start small and be realistic. Don't try to cram too much into your morning routine, or you might end up feeling overwhelmed. Second, prioritize activities that bring you joy and help you feel energized. And finally, be consistent and make your morning routine a non-negotiable part of your daily schedule. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in creating a morning routine that works for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more productivity and self-improvement content.